Common issues with Anytime Fitness key fobs include deactivation due to unpaid memberships or system glitches and reader malfunctions. First, check your membership status through the Anytime Fitness app or website. If the fob is deactivated, contact Anytime Fitness support through the app or by phone to verify your membership and request reactivation. For reader problems, ensure the fob is held flat and close to the reader within 2 to 5 inches, and make sure the reader surface is clean. System updates in early 2025 addressed previous vulnerabilities, so ensure your fob is up to date. If these steps don't work, a replacement fob is usually free and available at the front desk, taking about 5 to 10 minutes to process. Anytime Fitness key fobs use RFID or radio frequency identification for contactless entry. The fob contains a microchip and antenna that communicates with the reader using electromagnetic fields. While reliable, RFID is becoming transitional as Anytime Fitness integrates app-based entry using NFC and Bluetooth, with 60% of locations supporting it by 2025. This reduces fob dependency and enhances security compared to traditional RFID. Looking ahead, the fitness industry is moving towards hybrid access and potentially phasing out fobs for biometrics or AI-driven facial recognition by 2030. Anytime Fitness is investing $50 million in digital upgrades for contactless access. Remember, if you suspect a technical issue or potential security breach like cloning, report it immediately to Anytime Fitness staff.